The jungle is warm and full of sounds. I've been walking since sunrise, and now I see a shadow ahead. Let's take a closer look. The paw prints are wide and deep, and I hear a roar in the distance. 3, 2, 1. It's a tiger! Each tiger has a unique stripe pattern, like fingerprints. No two are the same. The stripes go right through their skin, and they're perfect for hiding in tall grass. A tiger can leap forward more than 6 meters in a single bound to catch its prey. A rustle above me. Something jumps from branch to branch. 3, 2, 1. It's a monkey. Many monkeys use their tails like an extra arm to grab branches or food. Some species even groom each other for hours to keep clean and strengthen friendships. They can travel over 3 kilometers a day just looking for fruit. The leaves move without wind. Something is sliding through the grass. 3, 2, 1. It's a snake. They use their tongues to taste the air and find prey. Some snakes can open their jaws wide enough to swallow animals bigger than their head. A loud trumpet echoes through the trees. The ground shakes a little. 3, 2, 1. It's an elephant! Their trunks have over 40,000 muscles and can pick up something as small as a berry. Elephants can communicate by sending low rumbles through the ground. They even remember watering holes for many years. Branches snap nearby. Something big is moving slowly. 3, 2, 1. It's a gorilla. They build a fresh nest every night from leaves and branches. A silverback gorilla can be twice as strong as the strongest human, and they often hum softly when eating their favorite plants. The trail ends at a muddy riverbank. I see eyes above the water. 3, 2, 1. It's a crocodile. They can hold their breath for over an hour while waiting for prey. The trees open into a sunny clearing. Something tall is eating the leaves. 3, 2, 1. It's a giraffe. Their necks have the same number of bones as yours, just longer. A giraffe's tongue can be up to 45 centimeters long and is dark to protect it from sunburn. Heavy footsteps crush the grass ahead. I see a large horn. 3, 2, 1. It's a rhinoceros. Their horns are made of keratin, the same material as nails and hair. Despite their size, rhinos can run faster than a horse over short distances. They often roll in mud to protect their skin from sun and insects. A splash of bright color flashes between the trees. 3, 2, 1. It's a toucan. Their beaks look heavy but are actually light and full of air pockets. Toucans toss food into the air and catch it in their mouths. Their bright colors help them recognize each other in dense forests. The jungle grows quiet. A pair of big eyes watches me from the shadows. 3, 2, 1. It's a slow loris. They move slowly to stay hidden and avoid predators. Slow lorises have a special gland that makes venom, which they mix with their saliva. Parents sometimes lick their babies to give them a venom shield. The sun is setting, and the jungle is calm again. I'll keep exploring tomorrow. Who knows what shadows we'll find next? Welcome, jungle explorers. The jungle is full of shadows, and the shadows are hiding animals. Can Can you guess who's behind the shadow? Let's find out. A shadow sneaks between the trees. Quiet, careful. Who could this jungle hunter be? 3, 2, 1. It's a leopard. Look at those beautiful spots. Leopards love to nap high up in the trees. High in the trees, a shadow swings with long arms. Gentle and clever. Who is it? 3, 2, 1. It's an orangutan, the true person of the forest. Their arms are so long, they can touch their toes even while standing. On the forest floor, sniff, sniff, sniff. A funny nose wiggles in the dark. What is it? 3, 2, 1. It's a tapir. Cute and a little silly. Tapirs are so old, they've been around since the time of dinosaurs. Whoosh! A stripy-tailed shadow leaps across the path. Can you guess this jumping friend? 3, 2, 1. It's a lemur with its long, bouncy tail. Lemurs live only on one island, Madagascar. A shy shadow hides in the forest. Dark body, stripy legs. Is it a zebra or something else? 3, 2, 1. It's an okapi, the secret forest giraffe. Its tongue is so long it can even clean its own ears. Yuck! Wait, was that a leaf or a shadow? Tiny, still, hard to see. Can you spot it? 3, 2, 1. It's a chameleon, the master of disguise. Chameleons can move their eyes in 2 different directions at once. By the river, a calm, round shadow rests in the sun. Who could this friendly animal be? 3, 2, 1. It's a capybara, the world's biggest rodent. Capybaras are so chill, other animals love to sit on their backs. Careful. By the water waits a powerful shadow, stronger than the leopard. Who is this? 3, 2, 1. It's a jaguar, the king of the American jungle. Jaguars love water, and their bite can crush a turtle shell. The jungle opens to a sunny field. A royal shadow with a fluffy mane stands tall. Do you know this one? 3, 2, 1. It's a lion, the king of beasts. Lions live in families called prides, and their roar can be heard miles away. As the sun sets, a giant shadow rises from the water. Huge mouth, tiny ears. Who is it? 3, 2, 1. It's a hippopotamus. Hippo skin makes its own pink sunscreen to stay safe in the sun. Our jungle adventure is done. You guessed so many shadows today. Great job, explorer. Rest now, because more jungle fun is waiting for you next time. Welcome to the jungle, explorer. Keep your ears open. Your mission is to guess the animal by its sound. Ready? The ground trembles. Something enormous is moving closer. Then... it's an elephant! Elephant! These gentle giants flap their big ears to cool down. And their trunks? Like a super tool, sipping water, grabbing snacks, even giving their friends a spray bath. A roar rips through the air. Even the birds go silent. It's a lion! Lion! Their powerful roar warns rivals to stay away. And those golden eyes? They can see 6 times better than us at night. But wait. Something swings down from the canopy, chattering non-stop. It's a monkey. Monkey! They use their tails like extra arms to balance and grab food. And just up ahead, a flash of bright feathers swoops past and... Hello! Did it just talk to us? It's a parrot. Parrot! They can mimic human speech and even remember words for years. In the treetops, another bird calls. It's a toucan. Toucan. Its beak is almost as long as its body, perfect for reaching fruit on thin branches. That giant beak also helps keep it cool in the hot jungle sun. But what's that sound from the swamp? It's a tree frog. Tree frog. Tiny but loud. This little singer has sticky toes for climbing tall leaves. Some species can even change color to blend in. The rustling bushes ahead sound dangerous. It's a jaguar. Jaguar. Silent steps, golden fur with black rosettes. This hunter's bite is strong enough to crush turtle shells. Excellent swimmers, too. From far off Madagascar, this animal uses its tail like a flag to keep the group together. It's a lemur. Lemur! Big eyes help them see at night. Perfect for midnight snacks. But something big is splashing again. Half under the water, half above, with nostrils that close tight for diving. It's a hippopotamus. Hippopotamus! They spend most of the day in water to stay cool, but can run faster than humans on land. Suddenly, a laugh echoes through the jungle. This sound isn't from a joke. It's a way to tell the group what they've found. It's a hyena. Hyena. They're expert hunters and scavengers with one of the strongest jaws in the animal kingdom. Well done, explorer. You've heard the voices of the jungle. Which one was your favorite? Welcome back, jungle explorers. Are your ears ready for a super-duper jungle adventure? 10 animal sounds are hiding all around us. Let's listen carefully and find them together. monkey. Howler monkey. They have the biggest voices in the whole jungle. So loud, they could probably wake you up from your nap. It's a tiger. Tiger. Their roar is so strong it can freeze other animals in place, like statues. Okay, keep moving. We're safe. It's a gorilla. Gorilla! They pound their chests to talk to family. It's like they're saying,
"Dinner's ready!"
It's a crocodile! Crocodile! They're older than dinosaurs. That's like super duper, extra old. Imagine a crocodile saying,
"Back in my day,
It's a wolf! Wolf! They howl to chat with friends far away. It's like jungle telephone, but louder. It's an orangutan. Orangutan! Every night, they make a brand new bed up in the trees. That's like having a sleepover every single night. It's a tapir. Tapir! They can use their funny nose like a snorkel when swimming. It's an ocelot. Ocelot! They're wild cats that purr just like your pet kitty when it's happy. But trust me, you don't want one sitting on your lap. It's a binturong. Binturong! And guess what? They smell just like yummy buttered popcorn. Now I'm hungry. It's a slow loris. Slow loris. They love the nighttime. And they've got a secret superpower. Their bite is poisonous. But don't worry, they're way too slow to chase us. Wow, explorers! You found all 10 jungle animals. That was a tricky challenge, but you did it. Come back tomorrow for a brand new jungle surprise. The jungle is alive with secrets, but not all of them are easy to see. Sometimes the biggest mystery is hidden in the smallest detail. We're going to zoom in super close. Can your sharp eyes figure out who is hiding? Let's begin the challenge. First up, look at this unique pattern, golden brown patches. Almost like a puzzle stretched across a very, very tall shape. Do you know who this is? It's the giraffe. They are the tallest land animals in the world, using their incredible height to munch on leaves that other animals can't reach. And here's a fun fact. A giraffe's tongue can be up to 45 centimeters long and is dark-colored to prevent it from getting sunburned. All right, look at this. Bold, dark stripes cutting across fiery orange fur. Any guesses yet? Not sure? Let me give you another clue. Zoom in on this massive paw. It has soft pads for silent stalking and sharp claws hidden inside. It's the tiger! Tigers are the biggest cats on Earth, and unlike many others, they are fantastic swimmers who love the water. Every tiger's stripe pattern is completely unique, just like a human fingerprint. Look very closely. A tiny shape with shiny, bright green skin. Still tricky? Okay, here's another hint. Look at its feet. The tips of its toes are wide and sticky. It's a tree frog. These amphibians are expert climbers thanks to their special toes, allowing them to scale trees with ease. Their skin can absorb water, so they don't need to drink. And their loud croaks are actually complex songs used to attract mates. A long, winding shape covered in smooth, glistening scales that catch the light. Have you figured it out? It's a snake. Snakes use their tongues to smell their surroundings, helping them track prey or sense danger. They play a vital role in the ecosystem by controlling rodent populations. Look at this beautiful golden coat covered in dark spots. It's the perfect camouflage for the dappled light of the jungle. Did you guess it? It's the leopard! Leopards are incredible climbers, strong enough to haul heavy prey high up into trees to keep it safe from other predators. This one might seem easy, but look carefully. A bold pattern of black and white stripes covering a strong, muscular body. What animal wears this iconic coat? It's a zebra. No two zebras have the exact same stripe pattern. It's their own personal barcode. These patterns are brilliant for defense. When a herd runs together, the mass of moving stripes makes it incredibly difficult for a predator to target a single animal. Okay, this is a tough one. Look at this bumpy, scaly skin that seems to blend perfectly with the green leaves around it. Still have no idea? Let me give you another clue. Look at its eye. It's bulging and can swivel around in a full circle. It's a chameleon! Their amazing eyes allow them to look in two different directions at once. One eye can look for food, while the other watches for predators. A flash of brilliant, colorful feathers. Do you know this flying rainbow? It's a parrot! Parrots are famous for their intelligence and their incredible ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. Look into the water. You can just see a bumpy, armored back covered in thick, rough scales. Is it a rock or is it something else? It's a crocodile. These ancient reptiles are perfect ambush predators, capable of waiting for hours for the right moment to strike. Their bite is one of the most powerful in the entire animal kingdom. Our final animal is very mysterious. Look at its legs. They're covered in bold white stripes, almost like a zebra. But something's not quite right. Let's look at the rest of its body. The fur is a dark, reddish-brown, which is very different from its legs. Okay, this last clue will give it away. Look at its head. It has large ears for listening. It's an Okapi! Often called the forest giraffe, this shy animal lives deep in the rainforests of Congo. Its stripes provide perfect camouflage in the filtered sunlight of the forest. Incredible work! You've uncovered 10 of the jungle's hidden wonders. The wild is full of amazing secrets if you just know where to look. Keep your eyes sharp and we'll see you on the next adventure.